Welcome to Arihant English Medium School, Solapur for online teaching session 2020-21. Myself, Mrs. Lata Kodam. I am teacher of EVS subject. Students, we have learnt in the last period, that is my body. What we have learnt from that body? Our body has many parts and each part of our body has names, and each one of has same parts of body but each one looks different. So today we are going to see our next chapter, that is our body can do. Every part of our body is useful to us. Each part has a function or work to do. They work in different ways. With our legs and feet, we can stand on our feet. We can walk with our legs. We can run with our legs. We can kick a ball with the leg. We can jump with our legs. We can hop with our legs. We can balance. Tell me what we can do with our legs. Standing, walking, running, kicking, jumping, hopping, balancing. With our arms and legs, we can hold books with our hands. We can lift a bucket with our hand. We use our hands. We greet someone. We use our hands. If you want to pray to the God, we join your hands and we use. Tell me what you do with your hands once again. Tell me what you will do with your hands. Holding, lifting, writing, pushing, greeting, praying. Okay, tell me students, which body part do you use to catch a ball? Yes, hands. Which body part do you use to run? Legs. Okay. Which body part do you use to hold a pencil? Fingers. Tell me what we have learnt in this lesson. Yes, every part of our body is useful to us. Each part has a function or work to do.